Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the steps to generate Job Profitability Report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in Fresa Application. After successful login, this is our dashboard looks like. Now, navigate to the Accounts module. Open the Job Reports menu. Select the Master Job Profitability Report. Choose the required date range. Organization. Then click Submit button. The Master Job Profitability Report for the selected organization will be displayed. Select the Reports option at the top right corner. Click the Job Profitability Report Jasper. The report will be displayed. Select the download to save it. These are the steps to generate Job Profitability Report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.